Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to delete your CoinStats account. To delete your CoinStats account, first of all, launch open the CoinStats application and make sure that you are logged into your account. You can also log into your CoinStats website if you are using a computer or a web browser. Make sure that you are logged into your account, and once you are, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right from the main interface. From the More menu, click on your username at the top, and from the Profile section, tap on Account Settings. Click the Delete Account button in the pop-up at the bottom, and in the pop-up, click on Delete again. Once you press the Delete button now, all your account history and linked portfolio will be deleted, and your devices will be logged out as well, and there will be no way to recover your account in the future. Tap the delete button if you're sure you want to delete your account and follow the instruction, and then you will be able to delete your CoinStats account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.